Hello ma'am, hello sir. My name is Rinalyn Arnoco. I am 42 years old, married, and I have two kids. My son is 20 years old and my daughter is 16 years old. I have 7 siblings in my family. I have 2 brothers and 4 sisters, and I am a middle of the family. I have 2 years work experience in the Philippines to take care of elderly, and she is 83 years old. And I have more than 3 years work experience in Hong Kong to take care of kids and newborn baby. And I do the housework like cleaning, marketing, ironing, cooking, and washing. To my future employer, I promise that I follow the rules in your house because I am honest and hardworking person. And I love kids. Thank you. See you, mom.